I talk,
We talk.
chika time na sa
You
Talk!
Ayan, dito naman, naglalapagan na tayo ng experiences. May pinrepare ang ating prod. Nanghingi sila ng mga...
Pang ilang game na natin ito?
Third na.
Third game na.
Okay, nanghingi
With
sila
our
ng...
ball.
Nanghingi sila ng experiences from us. Siyempre, hindi namin alam yung isa't isa. Tapos, ayan, bubuna tayo dito. Huhulaan kung kaninong experience yon.
Sige, ako nang...
Go,
Sige,
go.
You do the honor, you're the first honor.
Yes, I'm always the first. The first honor. Okay. This will take some time. Okay. Oh. Experienced a heartbreak on Christmas. Like, sa ating tatlo lang ba to?
Oo.
Huhulaan mo ba?
Hula. Ako
Para
maghuhula?
alam ni Luna agad yan.
Yeah, alam ko na agad kung sino to eh. Ikaw.
Ay, ako.
Ikaw to, di ba?
Yeah. Tama naman.
Can you tell us about it?
Hindi naman siya literally Christmas. But December 1.
December 1?
To be more precise, December 1.
Yeah.
Wala lang, siguro ano lang siya, parang first Christmas. Kasi ang Christmas sa akin, super importante. Kasi, di ba, member din ako ng media pa sa parish namin. So, super busy ako pag Christmas. Super importante sa akin ang Christmas. Tapos family time din. Wala lang, parang ano lang, naging different lang yung Christmas ko nung 2025, to be more specific. Kasi, I cried a lot.
Alam ko yan.
Kasi I cried a lot. Wala lang, parang, yung cry ko kasi nun, parang, with the pain, but also being thankful na lang din. That I was able to celebrate it. Na, ay, ako pa rin naman yun. Despite of what had happened, specifically, for that moment, despite of what had happened, wala, yun pa rin.
It's still a privilege to love.
I'm still
Yeah.
standing still. Ako pa rin siya. And, ayun din, pinaka-thankful ako. Hindi ako nasira as a person.
Yeah,
Kasi,
you actually
di ba,
mastered.
di ba minsan,
We're proud of you for that.
Yeah, we're really proud of you.
Kasi
mates.
'di ba minsan parang kapag when you experience a negative thing, parang hindi mo naman literally gustong i-absorb yung negative energy, but ang dami nang papasok sa utak mo.
Yeah.
Na, I'm going to do this kasi ginawa nila to sa akin.
Yeah.
Pero, ayan, thank you din talaga sa friends. Grabe ang comfort. Tapos, ayun din, super thankful lang. Yan lang naman ang story ko nung December. Umiiyak ako habang sumusubo ng Mango Graham.
Yeah, tapos like magchat-chat ng ng umagang-umaga. Pero I'm
Magma-my
really
day
I'm really proud na you really fought for it.
Of course.
I'm really proud na you're still this amazing person.
Yeah.
Grabe
Lalo
naman.
na pa naman pag during heartbreak. It feels like a battle in your mind and in your
Yeah.
heart.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi siya yung masabi nila na masakit lang. Like, you really feel the physical pain eh. Mabigat sa dibdib.
Exactly.
Nagnanumb
Tapos hindi ka makatulog.
Oo. My gosh. Yeah, we're proud of you.
Thank you
for
so
going
much.
through
Thank
that
you.
and overcoming.
Ayan.
Oh,
Ikaw
next
na-
bullet na tayo.
Ikaw na, Ate Ali.
Baka mamaya kailangan na natin ng tissue.
Okay. Wow. Mukhang mahaba siya.
Huhulaan yan, ah.
Entered a getting to know stage when the other person initiated it first, but ended initiating to end it. Huh?
Ano daw?
Entered a getting to know stage when the other person initiated it first, but ended initiating to end it. So, like, I feel like this is you. Is it?
No, it's not me.
It's you?
Again?
Wait,
Yeah, ako again, ako
Is it
again.
you?
Entered a getting to know stage
Stage.
when the other person initiated it. So, like, nag-initiate siya ng...
Okay, gets ko na. Na ano lang,
Ito
parang
naman
naging different lang yung ano
But
ng
ended
ano.
initiating.
Anong nangyari?
But is it you?
Yeah. Anong
Okay.
nangyari kasi, di ba sabi ko kanina, hindi ako nagpa-first move. So,
Yeah.
ano siya, yan yung first ever na parang naging serious ako na, okay, parang I want to try it with this person. But this is a different person.
Yeah.
Anong nangyari kasi niyan, parang siya yung nag-initiate. Hindi ko siya makakalimutan kasi umamin yung person na to, Biyernes Santo. Like,
Diyos ko, naghingi ng dasal.
The sign.
Biyernes Santo siya. Tapos, as in gabi, kakagaling ko lang ng serve ng church. Tapos umuwi ako. Wala akong phone that time. So, nasira. Tapos laptop ako. Ay di yan. Umamin siya. Sabi niya, actually, I like you. Tapos, ayan na nga, getting to know stage daw. Clearly. Yun daw yung i-enter. Tapos, after 2 months ata of talking.
Siya nag-end.
Ang sinabi niya, ano daw, parang reality struck na parang we're not compatible. Yeah. Like yung chemistry daw and compatibility na gusto niya sa relationship. Parang
Okay.
hindi daw yun accord. But of course, I respected that naman.
Yeah, I get.
Pero
I get that person.
I
to be
appreciate na
honest.
kinummunicate niya
Yeah.
pa din.
Ayun
Yeah.
din siguro yung amazing with that person. Kasi trait niya din talaga yun. Yun yung nagustuhan ko dun sa tao na yun before. Like parang kahit, ayun, ang galing niya mag-compromise. Like,
Ooh.
ang galing niyang nabibring up niya yung mga bagay na hindi kayang sabihin ng ibang tao.
He's they're that confident.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yun lang din. And until now naman, thankful ako dun sa experience ko na yun. And nagamit ko din yung mga lessons ko dun actually.
Thank you to this guy.
Yeah. Thank you for that
Thank you to
person
this person.
Yeah.
who can actively communicate openly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At naging
Very
honest
thankful.
lang. And naging respectful from the very end. Diba?
Hindi ka
Okay.
naman nasaktan. Hindi ka ba na-fall?
Actually, ang corny ko niyan, kasi nag-long message pa ako. Ang content ng long message ko, okay, I will accept this, but someday, if ikaw pa rin yung gusto ko, I'll knock again. Ako ba yung hindi kasi, ang point ko nun, ay, total siya naman
So
yung nag-first mo
you're
before.
ready like him.
Yeah,
During
super
that,
like
no?
yung person na yun before.
Ewan ko sa'yo, Mims.
Ikaw naman bumunot.
Ako naman ang bubuna. So, baka mamaya akin pa rin to. Ay, hindi na to akin. Parang kilala ko na agad, We went out and had our little picnic date, keeping things simple but meaningful. Ano pa ba? Kanino pa ba?
Ano ba yan?
Kayo na!
Obviously.
Para sa kwento niyo palang kanina eh.
Should
Na-spill na eh.
Should I expound on this?
Yeah, go.
So, this was during our first date. It was really simple. So, I don't know if you guys, know this, yung, grass area dun sa may McDo, malapit sa Track 30.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yung malaking grass field
Yeah.
doon. Doon kami tumambay. And then we had a little picnic. Doon ko siya treat ng drinks and then snacks. Tapos, pagabi na kasi nun. And it was the sky was clear. And then we can see the stars. So we laid down. We laid down and then just watched the stars.
Grabe talaga.
And then, after a while, while watching the stars,
Parang pwede ka na namin pauwiin.
we held hands. And then we just savored the moment. Because it was really amazing.
Minsan, being silent
Being
is...
genuine.
Being silent
Yeah.
with the person, parang...
Yun na yung rest mo.
Yun na yun. Parang yun...
Yeah, it felt
Diba?
really
Parang
calming.
nagkakaintindihan na kayo eh. Yung feelings niyo at the moment,
It's
nag-meet
what
talaga.
you both needed.
Tapos alam niyo ba, di ba, after nun, we held hands, tapos umupo na kami nun, and then, there was this 5 or 10 seconds moment na we just stared at each other.
Grabe.
Ganon. He was the one who initiated it. Sabi ko,
Walk out na lang ako.
napatanong ako sa kanya, bakit? Is there something on my face? Ano ko na-reply?
O parang movie yan ah.
Ang sabi niya lang, I was just admiring how beautiful you are. Napagano na ako, napakilig na lang talaga ako. Hala, ganyan ba talaga ako kaganda?
Sa'yo na yung flower.
Yung coffee namin sa'yo na din, yung
Sa'yo na lahat.
That moment was
Panalo.
super amazing. It was core memory talaga. The first date. I didn't know na someone can do that for me. How can someone love me so genuinely?
You deserve that,
Yeah, of
girl.
course. We all deserve a love.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay. You do the honor again. Dahil
Okay.
napakaganda ng story mo.
Diba? Na-manifest ko na ang love story na para bang nasa K-drama talaga.
Actually, parang puro
Perfect.
ideal for movie nga yung mga
Kaya nga
ganap
eh.
mo sa relationship niya.
Plinan ko talaga lahat.
Organized siya.
Oh, wow. Okay. This is a lot. We went on a date and before we went our separate ways, a ring was given. When things later became unclear, I turned the ring into a pendant so it could still remain close to my heart.
Kanina yun.
Feel ko alam ko na kung sino.
Kaya,
Kaya Ate Ali.
Nasaan yung pendant? Okay, explain.
Explain this for us, please.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, explain.
Although hindi ko in-expect na lalabas to. Yeah. Parang, tinake ko kasi talaga yung ring as a promise ring. So, even nung times na di na kami nag-uusap, talagang ginawa ko siyang pendant. So, parang everywhere I go, parang pinangahawakan ko talaga, hindi, sinabi niya to, ganon. Tapos I wanted it really still close to my heart. Kaya, ni-pendant ko na siya. Pero hindi ko na siya pendant ngayon. But yeah, I had that.
That's so sweet of you.
Like, pinahawakan ko na.
The
No,
things
ganito
we
yung
do
pagkakakilala
for
ko
Yeah, the
sa
things we do
kanya.
for
The things we do for love.
Napaka-genuine naman yun. You turned it into a necklace. Para
Yeah.
close sa heart. That's
Tapos suot
really
ko siya
nice.
parang until night. Di ko siya inuhubad unless maliligo. Kasi pag sa finger lang, parang aalisin ko na aalisin, lalo na I work a lot. So kapag pendant siya, like, feel ko lagi presence niya. Pinangahawakan ko lagi yun.
Grabe.
Aww. Napaka-sweet naman
Exactly.
yun. Like, you really treasured it to the point na ginawa mo siyang necklace.
Yeah, until the very end.
Okay. Ikaw naman, ang bubunot.
Di ko in-expect yun though.
Ikaw talaga ang nagbigay sa kanila niyan.
Hoy, over! Parang pinento ko lang yun. Ang haba naman.
Ano yan?
We went out on a date and I got sick midway. And you took care of me without hesitation.
Ikaw yan, no? Oh, di ba?
Ako yan!
Para kasi siya lang yung happy yung love life eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Obvious.
Lahat ng fantasy related, parang, sa'yo to girl eh.
So, okay, to expand this was nung birthday ko. And then, pinilit niyang makapunta kahit na may sakit siya. He was running
Grabe
a fever,
talaga yung effort ng
coughing,
relationship nila.
tapos tumutulo na sipon niya. And then, sabi ko, wag ka munang umuwi, stay at our house so I can take care of you. Kasi ayoko naman pauwiin siya ng may sakit. So, that's what I did. Pinahiga ko siya sa kama ko, doon na lang siya, like, alam niyo yung, like, towel with
Yeah,
cold
yeah.
water.
Yeah.
Natatandaan niya yun. Kahit natulog siya nun, hindi ko alam kung paano niya natandaan yun. I did it every like 3 hours. Kahit na umaga na nun, I set up an alarm para palitan yung towel niya. And then, I made him breakfast and lunch. Tapos, I even talked to his mom. Sinasabi ko na he's gonna stay for the night kasi I don't want him na bumiyahe ng malayo kasi he's from Laspi. And then, I even bought him medicine. Tapos, sabi ko, I always remind him to take medicine on time.
The things we do for love.
Grabe yung admiration ko nasa relationship na nila eh.
Very green flag eh, no?
Parang, sana kami rin soon.
Actually.
Meron yan.
Of course.
Siguro enough na tayo dito sa mga stories.
Oo, kasi puro ikaw na sis.
Ikaw naman, wala ka bang gustong i-bring up na topic?
Since puro tayo about love na parang very ideal,
Yeah.
let's talk about separation reasons naman. Kung bakit
Oh my
naghihiwalay
gosh.
yung mga tao.
Saka yung, siguro, non-negotiables, yan na din papasok.
Yeah, doon din papasok yung non-negotiables. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung
Separation.
non-negotiables natin. So, for you, what's that one non-negotiable?
Hindi kami same talaga ng values and principles.
Okay. Ikaw, what's your non-negotiable?
Ano ba to? Before the relationship or pag nasa relationship?
Kapag nasa relationship ka na,
Betrayal.
betrayal. For me, it's when they constantly lie.
Ooh.
That's a
Parang that's
non-negotiable
also
for me.
betrayal eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
When they choose
Pero
to constantly
paulit-ulit.
lie. That was a choice to hurt you. Like, alam mo nang masakit eh. Tapos pipiliin niya pa rin gawin ng gawin to protect himself. But at what cost, di ba? To hurt you.
Pero these days, ano bang saan natin ma-apply? What kind of betrayal pag inside a relationship?
Siguro when you talked about something na you're not comfortable with, pero they still choose to do it. That's already betrayal itself.
Yeah.
Kasi in-ignore niya yung feelings mo eh.
Exactly.
Parang dinestroy yung peace of mind mo na din as as of that moment.
Tsaka lalo na if you communicated it na hindi ka okay with this, parang why still do it?
Yeah. So if you guys think na picture perfect ang relationship namin, it's not. Kasi
Yeah.
there was some betrayals then. Not hindi naman cheating
Oo.
kapag cheating yan, syempre aalis na ako. For it wasn't cheating. I was just not comfortable with that one situation, or like with this one thing. Tapos nagawa niya pa din yun. And then we constantly fought about it. And the good thing here is, he's really open with communicating. He's not the type of dude na paligoy-ligoy na lang. He doesn't use flowery words to justify himself. Kasi he knows na mali siya. And that's what I love about him. He's
He
willing to
admitted it.
change. He admitted it agad. Hindi na siya nagpaligoy-ligoy pa. I know what I did was
Direct to the
wrong.
point.
And he changed. He drastically
important.
changed.
Rather than saying sorry all the time.
Yeah.
Because you will change if you see the relationship on a long term.
Kasi you really want that person eh. Talagang, hindi, gusto ko na to, so I will commit to this person. Hindi siya comfy dito. I'll consider that. I'll do action to make this person feel comfortable again.
Okay, but this isn't a justification for everyone na.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
Case-by-case situation.
Yeah. Kapag alam niya nang uncomfortable yung tao, dapat hindi na yan tinatanong na kailan ko pa bang magbago? Should I not do
Obvious
this?
naman
Should
na
I not
dapat
do
sa'yo
that?
yan.
Dapat you should have the initiative
Of course.
to change that bad thing or that thing na uncomfy yung partner mo. So, ayan. Regarding sa'yo, Ate Ali, yung hindi align yung values and principles.
I had a situation kasi before na dahil crush na crush ko yung person, tapos close proximity, hindi ko na-consider yung values namin. Like, nalaman ko na siya after few months. Tapos, it was through how he treated other people. How he handled a situation sa bahay nila. Parang doon ko nakita na, hindi tayo aligned sa values. Kasi kung ako yun, hindi ko tatawagin ng ganun yung sister mo, or I wouldn't do this action to your sister. Same with sa friends niya. Like, parang how he will perceive the situation. Doon mo malalaman whether like, hindi tayo okay ng ano doon na. Tapos even if trinay mo siyang i-communicate, pero pinaglalaban niya pa rin talaga na, ito tama, ito yung kinalakihan ko. Like, okay, I respect that. Pero at the same time, haven't you even considered whether it's still actually right? Parang hindi porket it was your upbringing and culture, tama na siya lagi.
Yeah, it should change. Lalo na kapag nakakasakit na ng ibang tao.
Of course.
That's one of my non-negotiables. Kapag nakakasakit ka na ng
Betrayal
ibang
din
tao.
talaga.
Yeah.
Always.
Yun sa'yo, Migs, can you expand like the betrayal?
Betrayal, it's cheating eh. Ayun na yun. Wala na yun. Yun na yun. Direct na siya actually. So, actually, thankful ako sa mga friends ko that time. Kasi lagi nilang ini-instill sa akin, you should never, force yourself to understand why people cheat. Kasi, parang siya eh, symbolism siya na you don't understand something because you can't do it.
Yeah.
You shouldn't justify their actions because it wasn't your duty. You're not
Yeah.
obligated to understand them because it's
Exactly.
already cheating. No one can justify cheating.
Yeah. So, ayun lang din. Parang, ayun nga, lagi ko sinasabi, di ba? You started with respect. So,
Ended
ended
with
with
respect.
respect. Kasi naman, ang point ko, if you don't love a person, or kung hindi mo na mahal yung tao, edi, you're brave enough to enter a relationship. You're brave enough to tell that person that you love them. So, at least be brave enough to tell them yung truth mo din. Kung hindi na, hindi na. Nothing to force. Kasi, ending naman, masasaktan naman yun yung tao. So, why would you... Saka for me, cheating is a choice of hurting that person.
Yeah.
Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin hindi mo sinasadya. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, nagkamali ako. Magkaiba
Yeah.
yung nagkamali sa gumawa ka talaga ng mali.
That's
Yeah.
just an excuse.
Totoo. Like,
Yeah.
parang pinantakip niya lang yun eh. But anyway, since we're in the discussion of like negotiables and adding everything that we've talked about kanina, what do you guys think is the secret to a long-term relationship? Lalo na from Luna.
Siguro ihuli natin
Speaking
siya.
from
Ihuli natin
From
siya.
experience.
Ihuli natin siya kasi feeling ko nasa kanya talaga yung answer.
Tsaka, we haven't had eh.
Yeah.
We haven't had.
Siguro ako muna. So far, though kahit wala pa namang long-term relationship, feeling ko it all starts with, of course, proper commitment. And when I say proper commitment, hindi lang yun yung basta may commitment kayo with each other. It's embodying that specific commitment. And of course, boundary. Yun yung siguro nga hanapin ko after what had happened to me. Yun yung hahanapin ko. Boundaries, hindi lang sa pag-enter ng relationship, but to you as a person. Kasi, you can't apply something. You can't apply yung isang bagay sa relationship kung, diba, wala.
Yeah.
Saka,
Yeah.
dapat clear sa'yo lahat. Clear sa'yo. Like, kung nag-commit ka na dito sa person na to, klaro na sa'yo na, it's not always going to be perfect. Hindi always kilig, hindi always positive. May mga negative. Actually, dapat nga, mas prepared ka pa dun eh. Diba?
Yeah, you should be prepared for all the possibilities in a
Kasi doon mo din
relationship.
malalaman yung totoong personality ng tao. Pag
Yeah.
under pressure na siya ng mga ganong bagay.
Yung sa akin, it's really more on choosing to love lang talaga. There's actually this quote na sa The Little Prince, yung parang, wait, let me search it up. Yung it's part of like, makakasakit ka talaga while you're still in the relationship, pero it's also part of living and loving.
Yeah.
Parang ganun yung point. I'm not really specific quote. Pero nandun yung everyday, you're going to choose that person.
Yeah.
And
And
I
different version of that person.
Oo, you're accepting it eh. I think that's really the secret to the long-term relationship. Parang if you choose that person, other things will follow.
Yeah. Saka yung pag-choose mo dun sa tao, hindi siya isang beses lang.
Oo, you will choose to communicate. You will choose to do more effort. Talagang, it starts with choosing.
Yeah.
Ito
Okay
naman,
na?
of course.
Ang may tunay na long-term relationship sa aming
Parang siya ang
lahat.
makakapag-justify ng totoong answer
Totoo. Valid
So,
ba?
Valid ba?
Valid ba
Parehas
sa
ko yung
amin?
valid, actually. So, in a psychological view,
Ay.
psychological
perfect.
view, according to Sternberg's theory of love, ayan, so may tatlo kasi yan. And actually, I
Okay.
live by this. So, ang tawag dito sa tatlong to, if na-combine, so sabihin ko muna yung tatlo. It's intimacy, passion, and commitment. So, intimacy, ayun yung emotional closeness nyo with together. Ayun, like, when you're really comfortable with the person, comfortable enough to open up about everything. Comfortable enough to say the bad things and the good things in the relationship. Kasi being in a relationship, it doesn't necessarily need to be all the time na lovey-dovey kayo. Of course, there will be some arguments, there will be misunderstandings. And when you're emotionally close with that person, you're good enough or like you're comfortable enough to open up about those things and
Yeah.
make adjustments. And of course, is the passion. Ayan, passion tayo. It's the attraction for the other person and the desire for them. You always desire for that person. Kahit na, di ba we have this saying, there are plenty of fishes in the ocean.
Yeah.
Or there are plenty of fishes in the sea. But you only desire this one person. And that should be love. Dapat nakafocus ka lang sa kanya. You should be focused on one person only. Like, let's say, okay, this person is attractive, but not attractive enough for me because I will only love this one person. Isa lang yung nangingibabaw
That's
para sa akin. Like, there's, like, this level of attractiveness
Yeah.
for other people, pero yung kanya,
Talaga nandun.
through
Kasi
siya
diba,
lagi.
attraction lagi namang nandun eh.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the last one is commitment. And that is the decision to stay. And that should always be the thing. You should always decide to stay every day, every year. Like, you should always decide na, I will love him. I will only love him and only him. Dapat walang other party dyan.
Dinian niya talaga yung other
Yun na
party.
yun eh.
Yeah,
Oo.
because when
You're
you
already in that
decide on
commitment
some,
eh.
yeah, commitment is about like committing to one person only. You can't commit to two people.
Of course.
Diyos ko naman.
Hindi ka naman dalawang tao. Para
Yeah, you only
i-offer
have
ang
one
sarili
heart and
mo.
you only have one brain. Kaya nga sa psychology, may sinasabi kami na instead of I love you,
I love you
Dinadag-
with all of my hypothalamus.
exactly, I love you with all of my hypothalamus. Kasi doon nakaano ang ating emotions. Now, if you combine these three, the intimacy, passion, and commitment,
Yeah.
we have consummate love. And that's like what people would call perfect love.
Ooh.
Grabe ang learnings
New
natin.
type of love na consummate love.
Consummate love. Ayan. So, it's when you decide to stay, it's when you're comfortable and you're emotionally really close to that person and that you desire for that person each and every day.
Soon we will experience
Of course.
consummate love.
With
Manifest
the right
natin
person.
yan.
Tama.
With the right person. Pero ito na lang pala, before tayo mag-end, message na lang siguro sa ating mga viewers regarding sa pagmamahal.
A message for
Yeah.
everyone.
Yes! Our Herons and Lady Herons.
Okay. Ala, nape-pressure ako.
Chill down.
Okay. So, message for love. You don't need to look for it agad-agad. Take your time to know yourself first before you love someone else. Because you can't love someone else when you're not even sure of yourself eh. How can you love other people when you're not even complete or when you're not even sure of yourself? You're just juggling knowing yourself and like loving the other person. And it's really hard. Ikaw lang mismo ang mauubos. And kapag naubos ka, anong matitira for the other person? So, unahin mo muna yung sarili mo bago mo unahin yung iba. So, ayun.
On point.
course.
Yun yung bell.
May bell.
Para din yan, actually.
Yan.
On point yun.
Ate Ali, ikaw naman.
Message to our viewers. Never be afraid to express love. I think it has to be an assurance to everyone eh. Kasi usually when we grow up, diba, nandun yung stereotypes lagi na, ay, wag mo ng ganito, wag mo ng ganyan.
Yeah.
Like, why limit yourself to show love, to show appreciation to a person? And it also doesn't have to be just in a form of relationship. Pwede rin siya sa love mo sa friends mo,
Yeah, of course.
love mo to the things you do, and love to your service. Like, if you really love something, bubuhos mo talaga lahat eh. Pero syempre, magtira ka pa rin
Of
for
course.
yourself.
Yes.
Diba? How about you, Miguel?
For me, for the viewers, I think, never regret the love you give.
Yeah.
Kasi, ano siya eh, parang ang mangyayari nun, kung may bad experience ka man sa buhay, sa love, never put that, or never held that into yourself, nakasalanan mo yun. Because, kung binetray ka man ng person mo before, or ng kung sino man, it's their reflection as a person, and it will never be your fault kung bakit sila ganun. Ngayon, kung nagmahal ka, edi nagmahal ka. That's how beautiful you are as a person.
Yeah.
We should always remember that. Yun lang for ating mga viewers.
Grabe. Thank you, Luna.
Thank you so
for
much.
having me.
Napaka-special. Kasi
Totoo. Pilot episode and Valentine's special.
Si Ate Love.
Honor talaga.
Yes,
Si Ate
Ate Love.
Ayan. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much din sa pag-share ng experiences mo.
Grabe.
Lalo na sa ating live audience and of course, our Herons and Lady Heroes.
Yes, thank you so much.